Hello everyone, this is what's happening right now. We never officially started the vlog. This is actually later in the day. I just realized that the stuff we started doing, we never actually made an intro.
Because Emily's born.
So, we're gonna start this out. Hello, Woomfinators. We're at my grandparents' house. She found a caterpillar outside. Yeah. So, we're gonna do it. Go outside. You'll probably see us doing some golf karting and some four-wheeling. We're just gonna have a good time. Peace out. Until the outro, I just turned the lamp on. Bye. Hey everyone! Look where her phone is. It's gonna fall. I know. I don't really care.
We just fill up.
Who wants to drive now? What is this vlog gonna be called?
Starving in Africa.
Water!
We're starving in Africa.
This is our Africa vlog.
Ew! We should have got the water.
So,
Watch where you're going.
this is Ford. This is how fast it goes.
Nicole!
Ernie, come on! If we go back here, we have apple trees. It's okay. Apples. This
Emily, are you hungry?
I'm not.
Especially
So,
green apples.
Here you go. We got apples. We didn't. That was great. So now we'll just start in the trees because that wasn't good.
Did you take a bite?
Yeah. Ugly. It was great.
Ugly.
We'll take it.
I'll shut.
We'll take a
Let's
turn.
switch.
Let's take a turn. Let's switch. Oh, Caitlin wants to drive. Drive with your hands on the wheel.
No.
This is why you should not have your permit. We're gonna chuck the people off the back. Jacob's about to get us. Oh, he's coming. He's gonna get us. Now we're cruising on the back. This is so fun. This is so fun. We're going backwards. Now we're out in the middle of nowhere and Jacob's back there. Oh, we're in water. Where's Jacob? Hey, Jacob!
Right out here.
Yeah, we're turning around.
That's why it's slower than I was expecting.
I just saw myself for the first time.
Okay, just make sure you pay attention to where you're going and not this.
Oh, I'm gonna turn that. You have a mosquito on your forehead.
Okay.
I don't want to. Okay.
Do you remember how to run this?
Okay. Oh, it's not even gonna stay. I just realized we're going in circles. It took you 20 minutes to realize you're going in circles.
We are watching
What's up?
Emily.
So we're about to watch the Twins. Don't know how to get the TV to work. We're trying to watch baseball.
It's big.
Caitlin getting her work in. I got in my eyebrows last time. I didn't do anything. Hey y'all, beauty moment. Welcome to the beauty show. Do you have to take a picture of everything?
Yes.
Send it to Mother Jamie.
Because
it's under my nails.
Oh, so good. Do you want to eat it? Taste it. Oh, he doesn't like it.
Let's just slightly down. Jeffree Star, if you're looking for a nice face mask, draw it all
What
out.
is this brand? It's from Ulta Beauty Store.
Hey, my vlog is in there. You weren't even in this the whole time.
There.
Are you gonna take it off right
I'm gonna peel it off. I don't know where to start.
It's mine's still wet and like sump.
Oh.
Part of mine is still wet. Okay, no, well now we'll just.
Oh, Caitlin's not even done.
Well, some of this is not even dry yet.
Do you think it smells like fish?
I can't smell.
Okay. Mom, come in here. Do you think this room smells like fish? No. What? It smells like fish. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're at a parade. I got a cheese stick. I got a hat.
This is why I should not have my permit.
Caitlin is speeding. We can't
It's in nature.
We can't even fit. Bro, you better slow down.
Is this fast enough for you? Is this good?
No, it's good.
Goodbye. You want to ride, sister? Okay. Are you back there?
Bumped your head.
That's because I just died.
Oh no.
We're breaking free. We're soaring. Guys, please drive like a normal. People are watching me like, oh my gosh. Probably are. You can't have a bad influence.
Ernie. Oh, wait, Ernie, keep looking at Ernie.
Show the camera.
Perfect.
We left, so the weekend's over. So the vlog's over. I don't know what our outro is.
Wait,
Like, comment, subscribe, share the video.
It doesn't end until we like stop somewhere.
What if we don't eat? Well, then we'll do it again. Peace out. You like it?